Traders from around the world, welcome to February 2019. What's really exciting about this particular month is, number one, there is still 1 day left in the open house trading room for real life trading. It's been an absolutely exceptional and exciting last few days from here. One of the things that I'm truly just inspired, humbled, blessed, and excited about is how many people took advantage of the January push-up challenge. I'm gonna give a few shout outs. If I forget any names, I apologize, but these are some people that I am 100% confident finished the challenge. They told me, they messaged me, they emailed me. So Arabia Johnson, congratulations. Jesse Levan, Ricky Cadan, David Webb, wonderful job. I'm sure there's some other people out there. In fact, I want to give a shout out to Johnny Guarco and the entire Guarco family for doing that. There's some clips, some videos, some images, some testimonies of people making this challenge their own. Chief, my good friend over there in LA, congratulations to you as well for finishing the challenge. It was exciting, it was wonderful, it was hard, but it was worth it. In the month of February, we're gonna have 3 challenges. Every single month this year, I'm gonna be doing a health challenge, which is the real part of real life trading, right? Real life trading, it's the real. It's hard, it's challenging, it's tough, but we're gonna do it together. Then we have a life challenge, and then we have a trading challenge. So here we go. The real challenge for this month of February is going to be threefold. Ready? We're gonna continue to do the push-ups, but we're cycling back around. So that way, if your chest is really sore like mine is right now, you're gonna have a few days of rest. Feel free to make the first few days exceptionally difficult, maybe some inverted push-ups or something, with a lot of weight. But we're starting back over today with 10 push-ups every single day, increasing by 10 until the month of February. So we're doing the exact same thing we did in January, but in February we're just doing it again. Now, here's the second thing we're doing. Second thing we're doing is squats. Derek, who's holding the camera, was making fun of me the other day for saying I had chicken legs. So we're gonna be working out the lower legs, the core, with the squat. So obviously it's just a squatting motion, but we're doing 10 of those every single day, along with the push-ups, increasing by 10 every single day. So that's 10 push-ups today and 10 squats. And last but not least, calf raises. What? That's right, a very easy, simple, and effective workout that also works out your lower body, just simply a calf raise. Now what I would suggest doing to make it harder is doing it on a surface that is like a stair. So you're stepping on the edge of the stair so you can really get that extension of the calf and really press your body up. But this is something that you can do while you're in front of the computer, at your standing desk or whatever. These will be easy, but still challenging. The challenge of this is not can you do it. The challenge of these is usually can you do it every single day. That is the hard part. So that's gonna be an exceptionally exciting event. The trading challenge for the month of February is I want each and every one of you to do 1 credit spread this month. That's right, 1 credit spread. It could be a bull put spread or it could be a bear call spread. If you have no idea what credit spreads are and you've never traded them in your life, you can still go through with this challenge and just do a virtual or paper credit spread. I have tons of videos on credit spreads that are entirely for free on my YouTube channel. Make sure to check those out. But that is the challenge for February. Just 1 credit spread in the month. And the last challenge, the life challenge. February is actually Friends Month here at Real Life Trading. So what we encourage you to do is make new friends and meet new people. So the challenge of this month is to have a meetup in your city with real life trading and other real life traders around your area. The way you can go about doing this is either mention something on Facebook. We have a Slack channel that has hundreds of people from all around the world. If it's not a bunch of real life traders, it could just be people who trade. Maybe they don't know anything about real life trading yet, but that's okay. Connect with a group of traders. That's the challenge. Connect with a group of traders this month in your city. One of the best ways to do that is go to meetup.com. I'm not getting paid to endorse Meetup, although you guys wouldn't care if I was. Meetup.com, check them out, type in stock trading, stock community, day trading. You're gonna get hundreds of people to most likely respond to that. There's a lot of interest. That's what I've done here in Nashville numerous times. Stock Twits is also a very popular community and organization where people get together and meet up. So you can check out Stock Twits. Stock Twits and meetup.com would be the two that I would suggest. You could also reach out to people on Twitter. Either way, that's the challenge. Take me up on it. And of course, send me some pictures when you're done. Man, I'm really excited about February. Folks, let's absolutely crush it. Next week starts Hedging with Options, a brand new program, 5 classes long, only available to those who are subscribers to the Real Life Trading Room, unless of course you just want to pay top retail dollar for it. But I don't know why you would do that. Just subscribe, $189 a month, folks. Whew, that's a great deal. All right, I'm gonna see you all in various emails Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday. I'll be back in the trading room, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with a kickoff. Let's do this, and until then, love life, live life, and trade it. You guys rock. Bye.